Rain is gone, the sky is bright. Puddles sparkle in the light. Babo grins and takes a run, ready for some splashy fun. Splish, splash, shimmer, shine, water jumping in a line. Babo laughs again, but Lucky Bat got splashed just then. Wait says wait before you play. There's a kinder, safer way. Check left, check right, check behind, check ahead. Make some room for every friend, then jump into the puddle bed. Splish, splash, cast splish, hooray! Safe splash fun is the best way. Wage looks left and Wage looks right, behind and forward, all in sight. She does a hop, not too wide. Little splash stays safe inside. Babo nods and tries it too, with a careful woo-hoo-hoo. Moxie twirls and Ugly Dog hops, tiny splashes, funny drops. Everyone can jump their way when we make space to play. Lucky Bat steps to the side, smiling with his wings held wide. Babo checks one final time, then jumps up high in rainbow shine. Check left, check right, check behind, check ahead. Every friend has got their space. Now jump with joy and smiling face. Splish, splash, cast splash, hooray! Splash your happy heart away.